Let's sing about fruits from A to Z. Come along and rhyme with me. A is for apple, crunchy and sweet. B is for banana, a tasty treat. C is for cherry, red and round. D is for date, a fruit so brown. Fruits from A to Z, so delicious and so fine. Let's sing about them one more time. E is for elderberry, a berry so dark. F is for fig with its tiny mark. G is for grape, in clusters they grow. H is for honeydew with a taste that's aglow. Fruits from A to Z, so colorful and bright. Let's sing about them with all our might. I for imbi and J for jackfruit. K for kiwi, a fruit that's cute. L for lemon, so sour and zesty. M for mango, oh so tasty. N is for nectarine, juicy and ripe. O is for orange, a citrus type. P is for papaya, tropical delight. Q is for quincy, a fruit so slight. Fruits from A to Z, a fruity melody. Let's sing about them happily. R is for raspberry, a berry so bold. S is for strawberry, a treat to behold. T is for tangerine, a citrusy burst. U is for ugly fruit, not the worst. Fruits from A to Z, let's sing with glee from beginning to the Z. V for vanilla bean, a flavor so pure. W for watermelon, juicy and sure. X for examenia, a fruit unique. Y for yellow passion fruit, a tropical physique. Fruits from A to Z, a fruity song so grand. Let's sing and clap and stand. Z for zucchini, a veggie in disguise. But in our fruity song, it surely flies. From A to Z we've sung today. Hope you enjoyed our fruity array. Fruits from A to Z, in our song so alive. Now you know them all, let's high five.
Medicinal excellent foods. You know, so songs sure to find the roots. Boys, he just me for the spreek. Whenever come be Blake through folks. Words from A to Z in our song so alive. Now you know them all, let's high five.
Salty for Domino Levine, white for Join is on so alive. Now you know them all, let's